Ever wondered how Bitcoin and Ethereum operate securely without central authority? Curious about cryptography's role in tamper-proof transactions? Master blockchain technology and lead the decentralized revolution. Hi, I am Ashraf, part of the educational engineering team. With over 13 years of experience, I've helped over 250,000 students worldwide master complex topics with ease. Welcome to Blockchain Mastery. From basics to advanced, this course is your ultimate guide to understanding decentralized technology. Let's dive in. Blockchain fundamentals, how it differs from databases. Cryptography, symmetric and asymmetric encryption for security, hashing and Merkle trees. Blockchain's security backbone. Blockchain architecture, blocks, timestamps, decentralized. Consensus mechanisms, proof of work, proof of stake, and others. By the end, you will gain real-world blockchain skills, analyze decentralized applications, and apply cryptographic techniques professionally. Whether you're an IT professional, developer, or enthusiast, this course gives you a competitive edge in blockchain. Ready to dive into blockchain? Click the link and enroll now to master this technology. Build the future.